When it comes to heavy-duty RC action, precision is everything. Check out this 1/14 scale hydraulic powerhouse, 005 to 015. The hydraulic pressure on this model is absolute insanity. Just watch how easily that bucket bites into the earth and lifts a full load without breaking a sweat. Look at that smooth, realistic movement. From the articulation of the arm to the way it dumps the soil into the truck, it's like watching a real construction site in miniature. Whether you're clearing a backyard site or just obsessed with mechanical realism, this rig is built to perform. This isn't just a toy, it's a masterpiece of engineering.